Welcome back to my Two Left Hands channel. Today we're going to be making curry chicken. If you do want a shout out for next week's video, go ahead and add my Two Left Hands to your story. Alright, so let's begin. So this is all of our ingredients for our curry chicken recipe. You will need some basic seasonings, some curry, some chicken, some potatoes, some carrots, green scallion, pepper, and sweet pepper. This is some chicken thighs that I have here. We're going to be starting off with the seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and add in our garlic powder, our onion powder, just our basic seasonings. And then we're going to add in our chicken flavor and our chicken seasoning, Maggi seasoning. So I'm just adding in basically a capful here. I have a lot of chicken, so it's a capful right here. And I'm not using any salt. So I'm going to also add in my all-purpose seasoning and then just mix everything all together. While you're mixing everything together, make sure that you're poking the chicken. Make sure you're poking the chicken just to make sure that those flavors are soaking into your meat, and let that marinate for 30 minutes. In a medium skillet, we're going to be burning our curry, or adding our curry to our oil. And I'm using two different types of curry here. I'm using the Grace mild curry, and I'm also using another curry that I got from Jamaica. So once you add your curry into your pot, if your curry is not boiling, go ahead and turn up your heat a little bit more. And you do not want your curry to burn too long. You do not want it to turn black. Once it's that golden color right there, then it's safe to add in the chicken. So go ahead and add in your chicken. Make sure you try to get all the chicken at one time. If not, that's okay. But what we're basically doing is just going to brown the chicken on each side. And if you don't know what I mean by brown, I can show you right here. Right here, you're just getting it brown. You're not cooking it all the way. You're just getting it brown on each side. So go ahead and do that for 2 to 3 minutes, and make sure you flip it over on the next side and give each side 2 to 3 minutes. Once that's done, you want to go ahead and drain your oil. Once your oil is drained, go ahead and add in about 1.5 cups of water into your pot, and then we're going to actually go ahead and start seasoning with our ground seasoning. So we're going to add in our scallions, our onions, we're going to add in our sweet peppers, and we're going to add in our garlic, minced garlic preferably, which I forgot to do that. And we're going to add in 1/2 of habanero pepper. If you have a Scotch bonnet pepper, go ahead and add that in. Go ahead and mix that all in. And you're going to let that cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a medium-high heat. After 10 to 15 minutes, we're going to go ahead and add in our diced carrots. We're going to add in our potatoes and stir that in. And at this point in time, what I like to do, if you have not already, you want to go ahead and check your gravy, see how it tastes, just to see if all the spices and everything is coming together just like how you like it. Once that's done, go ahead and cover it back up, and voila, our curry is finished. You can serve your curry with a bed of rice, over a bed of rice, or any food, green banana, yam, all that stuff. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel.